Good day everyone, we are the Group 4 and our innovation is called Proactive Seismic Alarm. Refers to a system designed to provide early warnings about potential earthquakes. The second purpose of PSA or Proactive Seismic Alarm is risk mitigation. By providing advance notice, the system aims to reduce the risk of injury and fatalities during an earthquake. So, most people need to know what should be the actions that they needed, such as drop, cover, and hold on, and evacuate hazardous areas for their safety.
Good day everyone, I am Kalin Naron and I am just continue the topic. So number 4, public awareness and preparedness. The system promotes awareness of earthquake risk and encourages communities to develop preparedness plans. Kini siya nga system makahatag siya awareness sa katawhan nga makapreparado og magplano nga unsay maayo nga buhatonon bahin sa linog. Dili lang linog, also the other calamities nga maka-apekto sa komunidad. Next one is emergency response coordination. It facilitates among emergency services by alerting them to potential seismic events, allowing quicker mobilization and response efforts. So, emergency response coordination, kinipod siyang system is mahatagan pod og awareness ang mga katong apil sa emergency services like DILG, Bureau of Protection, and other mahatagan nilag action katong mga apektado nga lugar sa calamity. And the last one is community resilience. By providing timely alerts and information, the system helps communities become more resilient to seismic events. So, katong mga katawhan apektado sa calamity, dili sila maratol basta-basta. O kabalo sila sa ilang batunon, ma-alerto sila kay natagan mo sila information about sa tabo. As you can see, this is our innovation, the proactive seismic alarm.
Seismometer or accelerometer are both used to measure ground motion, but they have different purposes and sensitivities. And data processing unit is a specialized processor designed to handle data-centric tasks efficiently. It is commonly used in networking, storage, artificial intelligence, and high-performance computing. And communication network. A communication network is a system that enables the exchange of data, voice, and multimedia between devices through wired or wireless connections.
So, a dissemination system is a method of or framework used to distribute information, data, or knowledge to a target audience efficiency. These systems are commonly used in various fields, including communication, education, healthcare, and emergency response. So, dissemination systems there are 4 types, which is the broadcast system, digital system, printed system, and face-to-face system. So next is the emergency response. So emergency response integration refers to the seamless coordination of various communication and information sharing systems to ensure rapid and effective response during crises such as natural disasters, terrorist attacks, pandemics, or industrial accidents. Dissemination systems play a crucial role in ensuring that emergency responders, government agencies, and the public receive timely and accurate information. So the last one is the user interface. So user interface is an emergency response system. Ensure that information is quickly accessible, easy to understand, and actionable for both responders and the public. Thank you.